So I welcome you everyone. Today we are going to discuss some more problems on partial differentiation. This is class number 2. Yesterday I was given a problem u equal to e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi x sin pi y, and asked you to prove that u double x plus u double y equal to ut. See, here you can see that u is a function in the variable t, x and y. So u is a function in three variables. U equal to f of x comma y comma t. So you can speak of the derivative with respect to x, derivative with respect to y and derivative with respect to t. So you can always speak of derivatives with respect to each independent variable. Here independent variables are x, y and t. In the problem statement, it is given that we have to prove u double x plus u double y equal to ut. So for this, what we have to do? We have to consider the given function and then find these partial derivatives u double x, u double y, then add these two. You get something. Then determine ut. Then check whether the sum of these two derivatives is same as ut. If it is same, then we are done. Okay, let us try to solve this one. Solution: given u equal to e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi x sin pi y. So derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Keep that in mind. Now let us call this as equation 1. Why we have to call this as equation 1? Because now we find u double x, then I have to find u double y. That means I have to consider this again. Again for ut, we have to consider this again. I have to recall this 2 times. So to make that a recall function easy, I will call that as equation 1. So differentiating with respect to x partially, with respect to x partially in the sense you have to differentiate with respect to x, keeping the remaining variables as constant. That means you have to treat both t and y as constant. See, derivative of kx will be k into k is any constant, derivative of x is 1. So product iddaga, if you differentiate, the constant term remains same. So product iddaga constant term ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಯು ಇದ್ದದ್ದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi y, these two are constants. Okay, because t and y are treated as constant. A constant ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi y into derivative of sin pi x cos pi x. Differentiating again u double x, again ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi y will be constant. So e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi y into minus sin pi x. I forgot one thing here. So cos pi x into derivative of this inner function, you have to get pi here. So already pi is there, then derivative of this pi again will get pi into pi. So u double x is minus pi square e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi y sin pi x. Can I write this as, to make the notation easier? Either okay. Shall I write this as u double x equal to minus pi square times this, see this one, e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi x sin pi y. So product terms ಉಂಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, but that is exactly same. This is u. Yes, this I can call as equation 2. Similarly, next you have to repeat same process with respect to y. Similarly, you can check this, I'll write directly. Similarly, u double y will be minus pi square u. U double y will be minus pi square u. Now I can call this as equation 3. So 2 plus 3 implies what? U double x plus u double y equal to minus 2 pi square u. Next, differentiating equation 1 with respect to t partial, because I want ut. Now differentiate u with respect to t partial. Here is u. See, this sin pi x sin pi y will be constant. Only thing is you have to differentiate e power minus 2 pi square t. If you differentiate e power minus 2 pi square t, derivative of e power x is e power x, so you get same thing, into derivative of this inner function. Constant minus 2 pi square into derivative of t is 1. So you will get e power minus 2 pi square t into minus 2 pi square times this sin pi x sin pi y. So ut will be derivative of exponential function, you get e power minus 2 pi square t into derivative of this inner function minus 2 pi square into sin pi x sin pi y. Or else this I can write as minus 2 pi square into e power minus 2 pi square t sin pi x sin pi y. That implies ut equal to minus 2 pi square. This part I can call as u. Now look into equation 4 and equation 5. Right hand sides are same. See, here you have minus 2 pi square u, here also you have minus 2 pi square of u. So the right hand sides are same, corresponding left hand sides must be equal. Therefore u double x plus u double y equal to ut. That completes the solution to that problem. Next, let us consider one more. Problem 3 aitalo, 4 I think. If u equal to, problem 4, if u equal to e power ax plus by f of ax minus by, then prove that b into dou u by dou x plus a into dou u by dou y equal to 2abu equal to 2abu. So this thing we have to prove. So u is given here. We have to find dou u by dou x. then multiply it by b. Similarly, we have to find dou u by dou y, then multiply it by a, then add those two equations, then check what is their sum, whether it is 2 times of ab into u. Let us see whether we get it. Solution: given u equal to e power ax plus by into f of ax minus by. Better we can call this as equation 1. Then I have to find ux, alwa. So first find ux, multiply it by b, call it as equation 2. Find dou u by dou y, multiply it by a, call it as equation 3. Then add these two. Differentiating with respect to x partially. Differentiating with respect to x partially. So partial differentiation madadre ivaga with respect to x. That means keeping y as constant, I have to differentiate u. I'll get dou u by dou x equal to. See, here you have product of two functions in x. So whenever you have product of two functions in the same variable, you have to apply product rule. Product rule means derivative of uv equal to u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Now e power, okay, I will treat as this u and this one as v. U into derivative of v. So u into, that is e power ax plus by into derivative of v. Derivative of f. What is the derivative of f? Derivative of f is f dash. That's all. F dash of ax minus by into derivative of inner function. The derivative of ax minus by is constant, so it will be 0. Derivative of ax, that is a, plus you have to keep v, f of ax minus by into derivative of a, derivative of e power ax plus by. Derivative of exponential function is exponential function itself into derivative of this power function or inner function, you can say, that is a. Multiplying this by b, so b into dou u by dou x equal to, illೊಂದು a ಇದೆಯಾ, ಸೊ a ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು b ಸೇರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ, ab e power ax plus by f dash of ax minus by plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಎ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು e power ax plus by into f of ax minus by. So see, this is nothing but u. Oh, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ u ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, remove this. Okay, so this is e power ax plus by f of ax minus by. Same thing I have here, so I can write this as directly u. Call this as equation 2. Next, same process you have to repeat by differentiating partially with respect to y. Next, dou u by dou y equal to again you have product of two functions in the same variable, so I have to apply product rule. E power ax plus by into derivative of f, that is f dash of ax minus by into derivative of inner function minus b, plus I have to apply, second part of the product rule. First function I get one, second function differentiate ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Now keeping second function as it is, f of ax minus by, so differentiating first function e power ax plus by into derivative of this inner function b. Multiply this by a, you will get a into dou u by dou y equal to minus ab e power ax plus by f dash of ax minus by plus AB times, see again, e power ax plus by into f of ax minus by, that is u. Call this as 3. Now add these two. So equation 2 plus 3. Equation 2 plus 3 implies b into dou u by dou x. ಬರೀ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ. b into dou u by dou x. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b into dou u by dou x ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ a into dou u by dou y equal to. Now come to the right hand side of equation 2. ab e power ax plus by f dash of ax minus by plus abu, I'll write here, minus ab e power ax plus by f dash of ax minus by plus abu. So this two, ab e power x plus by f dash of ax minus by, ab e power x plus by f dash of ax minus by. So these two terms get cancelled. So you remain with abu plus abu. Adding those two will get, therefore b into dou u by dou x plus a into dou u by dou y equal to 2 times of abu. There is one more problem, problem number 5 I think. So this you have to solve on your own. That is the similar to previous one. If u equal to e power ax minus by sin of ax plus by, prove that b into dou u by dou x minus a into dou u by dou y equal to, as usual, 2abu. Same method you have to apply. So try to solve this. Next, let us take one more problem. Problem 6. If u equal to tan inverse of y by x, then verify that a equal, first one, a dou square u by dou y dou x equal to dou square u by dou x dou y. B dou cube u by dou square y dou x equal to dou cube u by dou x dou y square equal to dou cube u by dou y dou x dou y. So as we have limited time, I request this also please consider as exercise. If you don't get this, I will solve this in the next video, no problem. But now if I start this, I'll run out of time, so I don't consider that time being. So let us take one more, problem 7. So try to solve this one. At least try to prove part A. If u equal to cos 2 theta by r square, prove that dou square u by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square into, okay, I'll write like this, dou square u by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou square u by dou theta square equal to 0. Solution. So here given u equal to cos 2 theta divided by r square. So I had to prove this thing, dou square u by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou square u by dou theta square equal to 0. What I have to do? I have to find this first, dou u by dou r, multiply it by 1 by r, then find dou square u by dou r square, then find 1 by r square, dou square u by dou theta square, multiply it by 1 by r square, then add those three, whether you get 0 or not. You have to check it. Call this as 1. So differentiating with respect to r partially. Differentiating with respect to r partially. I'll get dou u by dou r equal to cos 2 theta आगे रहता है. So 1 by r square if you differentiate, that is same as r power minus 2. r power minus 2 differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, r power minus 2, see derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, right? So r power minus 2, that will be minus 2 into r power minus 3. So it will be minus 2 by r cube. Minus 2 by r cube. So 1 by r into dou u by dou r minus 2 by r power 4 cos 2 theta minus 2 by r power 4 into cos 2 theta. Next, dou square u by dou r square. Differentiating with respect to r, again, see here I have to differentiate this one. You'll get dou square u by dou r square equal to minus 2 cos 2 theta r cube. If you differentiate that, you will get minus 3 by r power 4. So dou square u by dou r square will be 6 cos 2 theta divided by r power 4. Call this as, okay, I have to multiply this, no, nothing to multiply. Call this as equation 3. Now differentiate u with respect to theta twice, multiply it by 1 by r square. Differentiating 1 with respect to theta twice, first I'll get dou u by dou theta equal to 1 by r square आगे रहता है, cos 2 theta differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin 2 theta into 2. So we will get 2 sin 2 theta. Differentiating it again, dou square u by dou theta square equal to, okay, this is minus n alva, cos differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 2 sin 2 theta ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So this will be minus 2 by r square into differentiating sin 2 theta, we will get 2 cos 2 theta. Multiplying this by 1 by r square, so we'll get 1 by r square into dou square u by dou theta square equal to minus 4 by r power 4 into cos 2 theta. That is equation 4. Adding 2, 3 and 4, we get equation 2, you have left hand side 1 by r into dou u by dou r. Equation 3, you have left hand side dou square u by dou r square. Equation 4, you have left hand side 1 by r square into dou square u by dou theta square. Now write the right hand terms of equation 2, 3 and 4. Equation 2, minus 2 by r power 4 into cos 2 theta. Minus 2 by r power 4 into cos 2 theta. Equation 3, 6 cos 2 theta by r power 4. Equation 4, minus 4 cos 2 theta divided by r power 4. So minus 2 by r, sorry, this is r power 4, right? So common denominator you have r power 4 times. If you add numerators, you get minus 2 cos 2 theta plus 6 cos 2 theta minus 4 cos 2 theta. That is 0. Therefore 1 by, okay, I'll write this in the order that is given in the problem statement. Dou square u by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou u by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou square u by dou theta square equal to 0. That is the required answer. So with this I am going to end up this class. So let us discuss the next concept, symmetric functions, in the next class along with these exercise problems. Thank you.